Right now we're going to take a look at multiplying fractions. Now, believe it or not, this is actually one of the most straightforward operations because you can literally just multiply right across. Multiply your numerators and multiply your denominators. Voila. Only thing is you have to check to reduce. Now here we see that we got 35 out of 72. 35 is a whole bunch of 7, is a 7 and times a 5, and there are no 5s and there's no 7s down below in the denominator for a factor, so it's pretty much done as is. Here you can see we could multiply across and get 28 over whatever that huge number is, but right in the beginning you see how you're going to have some common factors. So take advantage of this. Instead of multiplying it all out and then having to factor, let's just go, and even if you want to write it like this, the fact of you can see the factors already. And 4 is going to divide into 4 one time, and 4 will divide into 44, leaving you with an 11. We can keep going here and divide both the numerator by 7 and the denominator by 7. We end up with a final answer of 1 over 33. So take advantage. Again, that nice little so-called shortcut only works when it's multiplication because everything's one big factor. The one area you have to watch out for is mixed numbers. Not too bad, but you do have to do a little housekeeping. Remember, we were talking about just having to multiply across. Well, what do you do when you got that third guy? Well, you have to make it have just a numerator and just a denominator. So we have to kick in to our skill of taking that mixed number into an improper fraction. So this would be 17 fifths. 5 times 3 is 15, plus the 2 is 17. We're going to go and change and convert the other fraction as well into an improper fraction. 6 times 4 is 24, plus the 1 is 25. So we've made that improper fraction. We're ready to roll, and look, we're going to be able to reduce a little bit first. We can divide both the numerator and denominator by a 5. It just makes it a little bit easier to do the multiplication there. Multiply right across on the bottom. 17 times 5. We have to see what we're going to get over there. And I will usually double check my arithmetic, but it looks like we're going to get 105 over 4, and we can make that a mixed number if we want to find out exactly how much that is. Looks like that would be 26 times with the remainder 1. So you put it as 1/4. As with always, double check on your arithmetic. Take your time. Do it again a second time just to make sure that everything is okay. But just again, if you take your time and practice, you'll be in good shape.